हाय गाइस, इट्स आरती एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो गाइस, आज के वीडियो में आप साथ ये लुक शेयर करने वाली हूँ व्हिच इज इंस्पायर्ड बाय रेट्रो लुक्स। सो होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट दिस लुक सो प्लीज check this video, and before watching this video make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and comment me down. So let's get on the video. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing is this is hairstyle. So मैंने बस यहाँ पर एक मिडिल पार्ट टेस्ट निकाला, फिर इसमें थोड़ा स्टाइल निकाल के आई ट्राइड टू डू पफ बट ये रिबन से और इससे ये छुप जा रहे हैं एंड वॉल्यूम भी नहीं आ रहा है पफ में. सो यू ट्राई टू गिव दैट पफ विच आई डोंट हैव, सो आई डिडंट गिव एनीथिंग. सो बस ऐसे ही है ये. Okay, let it be. So when I'm nothing on my face and let's start the makeup. So the first thing is this outfit. I'm just wearing this plain white top. Okay, so let's get on the video now. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Lacto calimin for my primer. So I'm going to shake this bottle. So after that I'm going to use my foundation from Blue Heaven. This Florina foundation I'm going to use as my base. So I'm in the shade Saffron Blue. So mix like this. That's all because I don't need any full coverage. So अगर आपको बहुत like full coverage होना है to hide your dark circles etc. you can use full coverages. I mean 2 to 3 pounds of it to cover your dark circles. Okay, that's it. So then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend this foundation. So guys, I'm going to use it once more to get a little good coverage because it is not giving that high coverage. So बस ये normal सभी coverage नहीं कर रहा है. So I'm going to use little bit more to get that flawless look because I was having like really very good skin. So I'm going to try just for it. And I'm going to use it as my concealer also because I don't have any dark circles, so I don't need to highlight that base. After that I'm going to set my base with my Maybelline compact powder. So it is just their super fresh compact powder in the shade marble. So I'm going to use this compact powder to set my base. So mainly on your eye area you try to keep ज़्यादा compact powder because we're going to have like very dark eyes. So cause वो लोग जब बहुत ही बड़ा like drama wing liner लगाते थे, so that's why I'm going to use a little bit more on my eyes that वो eyeliner crease ना हो और smoothly आ जाए. Guys, base के बाद मैं makeup पे जाऊँगी. So the first thing I'm going to take is eyeshadow. So पहले मैं eyeshadow लगाऊंगी. So I'm going to just go through a brown shade, then a highlighter. So मैं यहाँ पे The Fashion Factory से 8 eyeshadow palette में से ये वाला brown use करूँगी. So I'm going to take it on my blending brush and then I'm going to just apply it on my crease area to get that nice depth. take this highlighting shade, I'm going to apply it on my lids. Done. Guys, eyeshadow के बाद I'm going to take a tape because it is very dramatic liner, so we can't get so perfectly. So if you want to try this trick, just try, but you'll get the perfect wing. So मैं close to eyelid, I mean my eyes लगाऊंगी कुछ इस तरह. Okay, then I'm going to take the tape, the eyeliner. मैं यहाँ पर लैक्मे इंस्टा आईलाइनर ले रही हूँ और मैं इससे अपना विंग ड्रॉ करूँगी. Done. So guys, after eyeliner आप ये टेप को हटा लीजिए. Then you'll have the perfect wing, retro wing or anything like that. Yep. So guys, उसके बाद मैं अपने eyelashes को curl करूँगी. Like this. Then I'm going to use my eyelashes. So यहाँ पर मैं lashes use करूँगी which are really very natural lashes like this, पतले पतले lashes चाहिए to get that natural look. और थोड़ा size ऊपर है because I don't have many eyelashes, so I'm going to cut it in my size and I'm going to wear it. So guys, as you can see how tiny hairs are this. मैंने इसे अपने eyes के according cut कर लिया and I'm going to apply the glue. And so guys, I'm not going to keep this lashes because it's not sticking very good, so I'm going to try it after some times. Okay, now let's move to the next part. So वो लगाते लगाते थोड़ा सा मेरा liner गया. I mean not liner, like my shadow got spoiled. So guys, after that मैं blush use कर रही हूँ by my Maybelline blusher kit. So इसमें का मैं ये pink के 3 shades को mix करूँगी, pink and peaches, to get that dark pink cheeks. Like इधर बहुत कुछ कलर आ गया. Then I'm going to just blend it all over my cheeks. Yep. You guys are not able to see my blush. Why? So उसके बाद मैं सेम पैलेट में से हाइलाइटर यूज़ करूँगी, ये वाला, because retro has a huge amount of highlighter. And इस Maybelline पैलेट में से बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सा हाइलाइटर आता है which gives like very natural glow. Fine. So I'm able to see the glow. Then I'm going to use my Maybelline kajal. Then I'm going to use a red lipstick by this Blue Heaven non-transfer lip color in the shade scattered red. Yes guys, I'm ready. उसके बाद I'm going to just take little bit of strands, get little messy and cute look. बस ज़्यादा नहीं, ज़्यादा मुंह में से लेंगे. सो गाइस, ये रहा मेरा आज का वीडियो, दिस रेट्रो लुक. होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. सो गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू गोइंग टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, हिट दैट लाइक button and comment down how did you like this video. And yeah, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.